Okay, now welcome to the next video for this Newland's law of octave. What he stated that every element, every element has similar property those of the first when he arranged the elements in an increasing order of atomic masses. So see here again you have to state the Newland's law of octave. Okay, Newland's law of octave you have to write. So write like this. First he arrange the elements. Okay, arrange the elements known at that time in the increasing order of atomic mass. He started with the lightest element hydrogen and end up to the lithium, and he found that every element has similar property to those of the first. So like this you have to write. So write this. Okay, and then we go to the next, that is now in the we are going to see that he relate his elements with the Indian music or whatever saptasur of the Indian music. For example, in Indian music system there are 7 main notes, you know that, namely sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa. Okay, so again we come to the sa. So same means first and 8th one they shows the similar property and their collection is called as saptak. The frequency of node on goes on increasing from sa to ni. Okay, and then come the sa of the upper saptak at the double frequency of original sa. Just say how we can first we say lightly this sa, then re, ga, ma. We are going to increase pa, da, ni, sa, and then again sa. So like that, whatever last comes sa, that have double frequency. Okay, it means that the notes repeat after completion of one saptak. The 7 node in the Western system, do, re, ni, fa, so, la, ti, these are the again these are the saptak from Western music. Okay, in Indian we called it as saregama, but in the Western system they called the 7 sur, that is do, re, mi, sa, so, la, re. Means he doesn't accord, means do hai to the एलिमेंट्स विच आर स्टार्ट फ्रॉम डी इट कम इन डू, तो ऐसा काही नहीं, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. ओनली द सिमिलैरिटी इज दैट द फर्स्ट एंड 8 एलिमेंट हैव सिमिलर प्रॉपर्टी. ओके, द नोट डू हैविंग डबल द ओरिजिनल फ्रीक्वेंसी comes again at the 8th place. Okay, this is called as the octave of Western music, and music is created by variety in the use of these notes. So like that. Now you see here how, what you observe, this is the Newland's law of octave. Okay, now some here he write the double element, here also double elements, and only limited elements are there. So these are the limitations of this Newland octave. Means all elements are not fit in the Newland octave, and again some are showing similar property, they put in a different group and like that. So we see here what he has the demerits or what are the limitations for this. Many limitations were found in Newland's octave. So there are many limitations. This law was found to be applicable up to calcium. Means up to calcium it goes very clearly. So this law, this is the first. If some are asked, write the demerit. So first is this law is found to be applicable up to calcium only. Newland's fitted all elements in the table 7 it's to 8. Okay, so that elements only he fit which come into 7 into 8, that means total 56 boxes he have. Okay, so this is again the limitation, that means 56 elements only he can show in his octave. Okay, but so what are the remaining elements? Okay, for example, cobalt and nickel. Cobalt, Newland place 2 elements each in same box. Okay, what Newlands do? Newland place two elements each in same box to accumulate all the known elements in the table. Okay, that means he want to fit all the elements, so he put both the elements in the same group, we can say, or in the same boxes. Okay, and here are also 2 elements, so these are again the limitations. For example, cobalt and nickel and beryllium and lead. Moreover, he placed some element with different property under the same node in the octave. Okay, moreover he placed some element with different properties. Okay, means some elements with different property he put together.